Okay.
What are you all making now?
We're working on Rolos.
Working on Rolos?
Mm-hmm.
I see.
How many Rolos are you working on?
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
30.
30? How many do you have now?
I have no
We don't
idea.
know. We counted out 30. Chocolate chip caramel pudding cookie bars.
What'd she say?
Mm-hmm.
What did she say?
Yummy.
Hey, was that 30 minus the one you ate?
Did you eat one?
Mm-mm.
What are you making?
Mm-hmm.
What was it? What do you think you're making?
Chocolate bars.
This is from the
Yeah?
he wants to make chocolate dole with.
Okay, so you need 30 Rolos.
Mm-hmm.
And one packet. It's from the.
What?
It is from Betty Crocker.
Betty Crocker. Do you know Betty Crocker?
It's a chocolate chip
No.
caramel pudding cookie bars.
She seemed like a nice lady, though.
I don't know. I never met her.
You've never met her?
So we need one packet of Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookie mix.
Yep.
Ta-da.
And per the bag, you will need one stick of butter
One stick of butter,
and one egg.
one egg.
You need to soften your butter at room temperature.
Apparently you need some Jell-O.
And one pack of instant
Jell-O.
vanilla pudding.
Instant vanilla pudding.
And 30 Rolos.
Yes. 100 Rolos. It
30.
feels like.
It feels like 100.
And then you got to quarter them.
What's a quarter now?
What do you think that means?
Chop them.
Okay, so now we are, what are we doing?
Quartering the Rolos.
Quartering the Rolos.
How many pieces do we make if we're quartering?
4.
Yes.
I put it up 3 fingers.
Math is
4. There we go.
Okay, this is the correct answer. I did
So you have
this
to-
instead.
Quarter all the Rolos.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. But after this, it's quick.
Mm.
So if you start out with 30 Rolos,
Oh gosh.
and then you turn them into 4, then what do you got? 120 pieces of Rolo.
Oh my goodness.
Then you have to count them all before you start.
Woo.
Just teasing, you don't have to count them.
So now we're gonna mix all of these
The cookies,
cookies,
the butter,
butter,
the
Okay.
pudding.
So we're gonna mix the chocolate chip cookie mix in here, and then we're gonna mix the butter, the Jell-O thing, and then the egg,
The Jell-O thing.
all in here.
Okay, we're gonna put all those. We'll put these 4 ingredients
Yeah, that would be.
in the mixer.
I don't know what she's doing.
You're just playing along.
What?
What? No.
No.
So now what?
Okay, now I'm gonna crack this egg.
No, wait.
Yeah.
You're
Are you
not-
gonna do that?
You're not the best at cracking eggs.
Oh, but I never cracked.
Hey, you gotta learn sometime, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Today's not your day. Nope. Today's not your day.
Oh man.
Do you think you can do it
Yeah. I've heard.
without getting the shell in there?
Yep.
All right,
No.
go for it. Nope, that didn't work. All right, so we had to crack another egg and put it in there. So we got a little bit more than one egg in there, but not a
Well.
lot. So we'll work on the cracking egg skills. Oops.
Eepsie.
All right, so we've added the egg, we've added the butter, and we've added our cookie mix, and now we're adding our vanilla pudding package in there.
You mean like a bigger hole? Hold on.
2, 1.
Now we're just stirring the 4 ingredients. So what? So it's smooth?
I don't know.
We don't know.
Like cookie dough.
So it looks like cookie dough?
Oh, yum, cookie dough. Okay, now so we're done. with that.
So we got a
Don't touch it.
cookie dough consistency.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna add in the
What do we got?
Rolo!
Rolos.
Can I have?
Yep.
Can I eat it?
No.
Okay, put it back in there.
You can help gently.
Now you just stir it. So that's the lightest setting.
You just want to just blend in your Rolo, not like destroy the Rolo.
Nope.
Just want to mix it in the cookie dough that you already have.
So now we're putting all of it into a pan.
We probably won't put all
Yeah,
of
we
it.
have a 8-inch
Well,
pan that we
anyway, some
have
of it.
sprayed with some baking spray.
Mhm.
It's probably gonna be a pretty thick cookie.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a bar.
Oh, cookie bar. Okay.
And they did it in a square pan. But we're doing it in a round pan, so we can't fit all of ours. They used a 9-inch square, we're doing an 8-inch round, so it doesn't work that way. So we're just going to preheat our Foodi by turning on, choosing bake, and then we're going to 350 and you hit start. I already preheated a few minutes, but I wanted to go back and show you. Then we're going to use our reversible rack with just an 8-inch pan, aluminum pan that we had. We did spray it before, and then we're going to put it, once it's fully preheated, we'll just lower it down into there.
There's our cat that has nothing to do with it.
But wants to eat the cookie.
Yes. Exactly. Maybe.
So I'm going to put it in. The recipe calls for 28 minutes, but I usually go down on my Ninja, so I'm going to set it for, let's see, I'm going to go with 23 minutes. They say 28, I go usually about 5 minutes less, and then I check on it. Don't worry about that sound, it goes away.
Yeah. It starts out noisy, but it calms down once the fan gets going.
And the thing with baking is you can lift it and check it just like you would open your stove. Of course, that's going to let cool air in and increase your cooking time, but if you are worried, you can check it. Okay, so it was starting to smell, so I did decide to peek and break my own rule. And it looks like it's golden brown, maybe a little too brown, but since it's thick, I think it'll be fine. But I am going to go ahead and stop it. So actually, I only cooked it 15 minutes. So looks good. We'll let it cool down, and it will take longer to cool since it is thick, but once we try it, we'll let you know how it tastes.
It does look good though.
We're gonna put these little ones in.
Okay, so we had some cookie dough left over, so we made 2 little, I don't even know what those are, like 3-inch?
Maybe
We
they
don't know.
are mini bundt pans, or
Yeah.
not bundt pans,
So we only-
springform pans.
Springform, we only cooked those for like 8.5 minutes.
Yeah, well, it was 8. It was
Whatever
the
time was
remaining.
left over.
And then I just reach in and place it there.
Those little handy grabbers are pretty nice.
They can grab anything.
It'd been better if they put a little bit of silicone, like rubber grips,
Don't touch
on
them,
there, and then it would be easier for it to hold on to things. But we got them at Amazon. We'll put a link down in the bottom to show you.
It can grab almost everything.
You can grab everything but your cat.
And
Not
yourself.
that we tried.
Yeah.
But there they are. They're still cooling off. We'll come back on here in a little bit once they cool and let you know how it turned out. Okay, so there is our cookie. It looks and tastes delicious. It was a little bit hard to get out of the pan, I guess. So you might try using parchment paper. May do a little bit better job. That's why ours is kind of broke. But really recommend this video because the cookie is delicious. Is the cookie delicious?
So chewy.
It's so chewy. Thanks for watching. Bye.